Chapter 5 discusses elasticity of demand and supply. A measure of the responsiveness of quantity demanded to a price change, the percent change in quantity demanded divided by the percent change in price. Elasticities measure percent change in quantity demand with respect to percent change in price of the good. Elasticity formula typically use the midpoint formula in computing the percentage change in price and quantity demanded. Total revenue, TR, and price elasticity. Because total revenue is the product of P and Q, whether TR rises or falls in response to the magnitude of price elasticity. For example, when demand is elastic, a cut in price increases total revenues. On the other hand, a cut in price reduces total revenues if demand is inelastic. The bottom graph shows the change in total revenue depending on the price elasticity. The table summarizes change in total revenue with respect to elasticity value. Elasticity changes along a straight line demand curve. The two figures show a perfectly elastic demand curve and a perfectly inelastic demand curve. This figure shows the unit elastic demand curve. The rectangles, representing total revenue, are of equal size along the unit elastic demand curve. Determinants of demand elasticity include 1. Availability of substitutes. 2. Proportion of the consumer's budget spent on the good. 3. Time. In a similar fashion, price elasticity of supply is defined as a measure of the responsiveness of quantity supplied to a price change, the percent change in quantity supplied divided by the percent change in price. Here are the formula for price elasticity of supply. The two figures show a perfectly elastic supply curve and a perfectly inelastic supply curve. Determinants of supply elasticity include costliness of the good in production, time. Over time, the elasticity of supply tends to increase due to adjustments that can be made in the production process. There are a few other elasticity measures. Income elasticity of demand. The percent change in demand, at a given price, divided by the percent change in income. Cross-price elasticity of demand. The percent change in demand of one good, at a given price, divided by the underlying percent change in the price of another good.